What's going on? It's Ed here from ClickSgeek, and today we're going through a roofing client's campaign. So this is a roofer that we're running Google ads for, and right now we're inside the actual campaign itself. This is roughly the first 30 days that we were running it. I didn't want to look back to see the actual start date, but it's pretty close to the first 30 days that we're running it. And as you'll see, this client's got a $125 a day budget. We're running Monday through Friday for them. They've gotten 150 clicks so far. Average cost per click is 19 bucks. They've got a 29% conversion rate. They've gotten 44 leads, and their average cost per lead is 64 bucks. So this client is coming out of the gate screaming. They're in a very competitive, you might say, one of the fastest growing cities in the entire country, and this campaign is crushing it out of the gate. So if you are a roofing contractor and need leads coming into your business, like most do, hit us up and let's have a conversation. I'll drop a link below to an application. Just fill that out, and we'll go through what your business looks like now, where you want it to go, and see if we're a good fit. We'll know that pretty quickly, and we'll go over how something like this might be rolled out for your business. And then typically, if we wanted to move forward, it's roughly 2 to 4 business days to get you live. Pretty easy process. And you know what? I just realized I didn't even introduce myself. My name's Ed. I'm one of the co-founders here at ClickSgeek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency, and we specialize in lead gen for local businesses. And roofing is a niche that we do very well in. So if you need anything, hit us up. I'll drop a link below to an application. Just fill it out, and we'll set up a time to chat, and we'll go from there. Have a great day.